Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate or clone a Shopify store from one store to another. This is useful if you want to move your store to a new Shopify account, make a backup store, copy your store for a new project, or build a second store using the same setup. I will keep everything simple and easy to follow so you can understand the full process without any confusing words. Step 1. Open your old Shopify store. First, go to the Shopify store that you want to copy. This is the store that already has your products, pages, collections, settings, and design. Before you start moving anything, take a quick look around your store. Check your products, your pages, your menus, your images, and your theme. This helps you make sure you know what needs to be copied into the new store. You can also make a simple list of the things you want to move, like products, customers, blog posts, pages, collections, and store design. This will make the process easier because you will not forget anything later. Step 2. Create a new Shopify store. Next, create the new Shopify store. This will be the store where you want to copy everything. Go to Shopify and start a new store. Add your store name, basic details, and store information. You do not need to finish everything right away. The main goal here is just to create a clean new store where you can move your old store content. Once your new store is ready, open the Shopify dashboard. This is where you will add the copied products, pages, design, and other store details. Step 3. Copy your products. Now you need to move your products from your old store to the new store. In your old Shopify store, go to the Products section. From there, export your products. This will give you a file with your product details, like product names, prices, descriptions, and other product information. After that, go to your new Shopify store. Open the Products section and import the product file. Once the file is added, Shopify will bring the products into your new store. After the products are added, check them one by one. Make sure the names look right. Check the prices. Check the product descriptions. Check the images. Also check if the products are placed in the right collections. Do not skip this part because small mistakes can happen when moving products. Step 4. Copy your collections. After your products are moved, the next step is to copy your collections. Collections are the groups of products in your store. For example, you may have collections like shirts, shoes, bags, best sellers, new arrivals, or sale items. Go to your old store and look at your collections. Then go to your new store and create the same collections. Use the same collection names, images, and descriptions if you want the new store to look the same. After that, add the right products to each collection. Take your time here because collections help customers find products easily. If your collections are messy, your store can feel harder to use. Lastly, copy your store design. Now it's time to copy the look of your store. Your store design includes your theme, colors, layout, logo, banners, sections, and homepage style. Go to your old Shopify store and look at the theme you are using. If the same theme is available in your new store, you can add it there too. Then start matching the design. Add your logo, set the same colors, add the same homepage sections, upload your banner images, add your text, set up your buttons. Try to make the new store look as close as possible to the old store. After you finish, open the new store preview and compare it with the old store. Look at the homepage, product pages, collection pages, and menu. If something looks different, adjust it until it looks right. And that's how you duplicate or clone a Shopify store from one store to another. The main steps are to create a new store, move your products, copy your pages, match the design, set up your menus, check your settings, test everything, and then connect your domain. Take your time with each step so you don't miss anything. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.